Here I have DOOGEE S60, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So first of all, you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, what you will have to do is to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time, like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding volume up, like this. Let's try one more time. Release power key when screen turns on and keep holding volume up. After you see this kind of Android robot and the message no command under it, you have to hold down power key and press volume up once. Then you will enter this kind of menu. Here you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select the 6th option, wipe cache partition, and then confirm it by selecting yes. After you see the message cache wipe complete, you can select the first option, reboot system now, to restart your device, and it will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.